All right, guys, here we go. Real quick video on XRP. Is it a buy? Is it a sell? Or is it a hold? Okay, here we go. First of all, we're very extended here in price action. Okay, a lot of people they try to go long after they see this big run up. They think that's positive, that's bullish, which it is. But a lot of times that's when price is running out of gas, getting exhausted, and having to pull back. Okay, your prime location, what you try to find, what we teach our traders is find the prime location, prime position on the chart in order to enter. Okay, and even if you miss that on XRP, there were a couple of the locations. The first one was this consolidation zone here forever, actually. And remember, the longer the contraction, the stronger, the higher the expansion when it breaks out. But uh, obviously, the first location, this event candle here off the 20 and the 200, where the 20 and 200 have come together. Sideways consolidation, breakout, little pullback here, breakout, and here we are now. Okay, so technically, we've recently we made a high, came back up, made a lower high. We couldn't come back up and take this previous high out. And it wasn't just, it wasn't XRP's fault, for example. It was just the whole market pulling back. So, you got to appreciate that. But a very bullish sign, a very positive sign is that we've held the 20, okay, this blue line here. And a little freebie here, 83% of your losses are because you trade against the 20. You want the 20 moving up if you're long, and then if you're trying to go short, you want the 20, of course, pulling down to the downside, okay? Until you get into extreme locations, which is another story. But right now, we're called what's called an inside bar. I'd say probably 90+% of the traders out there don't even know what that is. Anyway, you're stuck in here. See the red candle? That's your inside bar. And then so far we closed one, two, going on 3 days inside that candle. And this is where people get chopped up and lose money, going in, trying to, thinking it's going to break out, or going short, thinking it's going to break down. Okay, price is stuck in here. Okay, now you can wick under it, wick over it, but as long as you're closing inside bar, inside that red candle, you're good to go. Just sit on your hands because 1000% of the time, okay, it's a guarantee. This is one of the few guarantees in the market. Price is either going to break out, it's trapped in there, or it's going to break down. Okay, so you just hold and watch, and then you know where to set up your stop loss. But normally, this 20 in a bull market is pretty safe territory as far as position on the chart. Price will pull down into it, hold, but once you break it, then guess what? Yeah, you got to look on the left hand side of the chart and come down and see where your next support or resistance zone was, and also possibly a moving average, and that'll be, the secondary safety net, so to speak, or safe zone, support zone for price. But you got to be able to, know those locations. Number one, know those locations, know those positions on the chart, which is easy to do, and then be able to name and identify, the event candle, either the breakout or the breakdown candle, and what that looks like. And you get, learn two, three of those setups, and it's kind of like a money tree. But all right, guys, that's it on XRP. Just hold. If we break out, obviously we're going higher. Okay, up into, I'm thinking $3. $3 is where I would be looking to that red dash line up here. You look for a, stronger pullback than this even. Okay, so $3, that whole round even number, that's, where we're expecting a, quite a bit of resistance near term. Now, if we break to the downside, it'll probably be this consolidation zone here, this little pullback zone before we broke out. See another inside bar. See how everything closed inside that green bar, and then finally this one, this candle where the blue arrow is, and then secondary confirmation candle here, where your breakout. Now, we can throw the 50 on there. And by the time it rolls down, the 50 will be moving up into that zone. So we have two real strong, uh, you know, support zones, support factors to help price. And that's in the, I'd say 150 to 160 or 160 to 150 price zones there. But okay, guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you on the charts.